Waya baba wetene ni ga ila live video du wa dan me ni ata wa di odo ya gege we live video kere wa la di an du wa do mi ma waya wese baba boy no ga Talking about Nugu, I'm on the way Nugu, get door, talking about Nugu. No, talking about Nugu. He bite and share. Ah, cabo fuari, ele tá. Je n'ai ni ruru panokpa. No, bueno. Caminha. Caminha com de quoi? Et non des choses. Dove vai? Però quella lavoro non è ancora finito. Lascia stare, lascia usare qua. Vai fare un passo, non fare, rovinare qualcosa lì, eh? Ok, brava, vai. E vai cancer, distinto Marcorio, banana, cane caie, banana, distinto Marcorio, cane caie. Mamma, vai scegli, non rompi, vai scegli, per favore. Vai scegli fuori. Ego, Ana è bugate. Ego, Ana è bugate. Okay. Waya bava o wa bebe nege kai abeteme nigan life na agboni marena wa enwe shedi non rompe coglioni. Io stavo parlando adesso, non rompe. Sta parlando. Wahia wa bebe nege kai abeteme nigan. A video na wa very short video. This message is going to we are here no ho no fear to again we me maybe me gbon we no need the video there o because we be na wo ge me totally we be big one we can go dagbo na e na gun o we are Diamond Ladies Talk Show imama no hu o we ni yari agbo ye ma eto ge te ni ya ke wo social media ye ma eto ge de o go pa ni eta o ni na gwa zen ye hin. Whereas omaga mata ye azen maybe ye besunu je mi ma be no azen ye azen ono pa oge ni eta me ni ye boy me do ato oge gene ipo ni mejo ndi ya ma lale iyo ewodonia abe commenta ge yagwe esobogwe mama boy e dey fox small boys they go nene okwo no what in Diamond Ladies Top Show. Or 19 years. Or where ime mu. Or mono no be made 19 years. One, ya can punish a bebo gear. Or I me obi oka. Na ya bi menwa. Ni medo ya wa 7 no ga emi egwo me 19 years lobi ejo me we. Iri bebo ni ge no tie. Do na mu je mo na talent no talo. O mama eni oboda mo de we obi oka na ye bo ka afred de gwa ma emi o. Ijo mo ora kima no gui ami me ni ma taba guine So don't know it's animal warrant when a useless lady now. Eri on do. Eri yin ka mo da fiyen no de la lu pe kusi ni da fiyen wi yen la lo ni e dojo papa no ri yen gbe ni yen no da fiyen ya la lu he ni ere do jaje eri yen ri jin yen gbe ni ni what sa ni tradition ere do I think a tradition my mom in Nigeria because here me do for ne wa give me pa ni ka wa gioni mawa because the Facebook in the Bema on I send the message re ne yan be blocking me YouTube ne why block obun warning wa lose ya block stainless o be na like YouTube today nenu zan owe tradition redo wa dan me
community in the federal local government area of Ondo State is an agrarian community known for large cultivation of kola nut plantation. Following the mysterious death of no fewer than 36 cows on Okeowa, people have been trooping to say things for themselves. I am at the feet of Owa Hill here in Ijare, one of the tallest here in this community. The monarch of this community visits this place once a year, and no one else visits this year. But on Saturday, some X-men came with their cattle and thunderstruck no one to survive it.
Wow.
Investigations reveal that aside the monarch of the town, only virgins can visit the mountain. Journey from the feet of the hill to the top takes not less than an hour.
Invite and share. No, you say ne unzambo. Keke comment no ga comment lele.
The community's prime minister, Chief Odimo Olamino, said the mountain is a sacred place.
To some individuals who desecrated the land in the past, they did witness this kind of thunderbolt attack. Human beings.
Yes.
Any part of Ijare.
Mama. The ship ye gari. Si piega.
Where the cattle died, that is the place we call Owa, normally visited once in a year by the Olujare. The innermost part of the cave is where it stays for a day, where it goes into seclusion, performing some traditional rites there. So no individual is allowed to go to that place.
He, however, said the people of Ijare has no hands in the calamity that befell herdsmen.
It has happened at our own head, we regard it as an act of God, for which nobody can query it.
The people of the community interviewed said such had never happened in history.
But all we realized that somebody came. He's a hunter. He came this morning to tell us that he met some cows dead there. Then afterwards, people around the town came. And while they were going there, I followed them. So it was an eyewitness that I saw 36 cows dead.
Though the community is calm, observers say the occurrence cannot be divorced from traditional power from Ijare in the federal local government area.
De wa dam yo.
OSLC News.
No, come sei tesoro. Grazie.
This brother when he say not be Benin for happen. Not be Nigeria. The day when I do my video, not be all Nigeria I talk to. I even make sure say Igbo still get their tradition. Everybody get their tradition. May I put this cap where me they see my face. Because me are not there war like people when no make up shame not go let they come social media come talk. If they talk when they don't make up, they inside darkness. Even I don't make up, God don't already create me. Yes. So this useless woman will say, maybe you want to take me make name. Because that's what he still doing at that time. He say no get viewers again. I make they talk rubbish. Me, I know they talk rubbish because of viewers. I get viewers, my viewers, I know them. If they come here, they always join me, they do something clean. Because they don't say what they fight for not true. He said tradition not there, Benin. Una not make tradition there, Benin. You when you marry, when you beg your husband, make him suck your pekus. So you not be responsible woman. You not be make your husband be better man. So that man quickly refuse it. May you not go kill him. Now your body they hurt. May you not use pepper body when your husband not take this suck your pekus. What it concern me concern you. And do they do your video? I never challenge you one day. You can do anything you like in your platform. Nobody will come and ask you. So when I they talk same person, may they not they allow our maid they suck pekus. They bring that photo our kingdom. I did not mention your name. Useless woman. As you say that your great-great-grandchildren go collect for that course. And they must collect for it. Your great-grandchildren must collect. You say you be Diamond Lady Stop Show. Now you are they talk to. With your viewers, when they make all those rubbish comments. So now just sit down, spoil Bini anyhow. Bini when you go measure. When you go measure for anywhere in Nigeria, they go they shake. Omo Bini here. If you there outside land, you say you be Bini, they go they respect you. Una don't call Europe, come spoiler nyaga. With useless reviewer when you get when they talk nonsense there. Do I talk to you? Hey, he don't know who they now those small boys where they follow. Me, I don't enter live video since February. Una don't see say I come off for where me they work. Una don't see say I come off where they work. Now here they work till they feed my children. They tell they do what they do. You understand? Mona help me share this message. Say it dead Nigeria. He say it dead Nigeria. I pray may God protect you. Go Europe. You say Okmakman oro wegbe nuwe jajije boyegbe. Eru gbe bi jugbe we aka jajo egbe Nigeria ke ko da fun weke do ba mebe webo. Gbe be ade bo we ko we. Social media presenters in the boom we ko we because who go aloma no ya make a name. You dey find people when you go take make get viewers. Even though you get viewers, when you they insult Iye boy, when you drop out, you not go get viewers again. Because you not get anything when they do, when make you come out for Facebook. You not get. What's that, Chef?
No, tu me salate good program.
Salata, dove salata?
Ah?
Dove salata?
Le mie ciabatte.
You understand? You not get anything when you come. They not talk about Bini, the people they hawk. Before you leave Nigeria, come Europe, people know they hawk. They know they hawk. Useless woman. They not before you come me, Iye boy, before I come Europe, I hawk. As I cook rice there. I buy plantain for village. I will carry and go Lagos. Go sell. Cocoyam, everything. Nothing with no market one I never do. What did they worry you? I said they put basket. Everybody they sell something for you. How much since when you reach Nigeria? How much you don't carry come out? Go they share. They go for us. I made that they video you. How much? Nothing. Ijobunu. I don't tell you praha. I start for my tradition. If tradition not there, the family when you date, when you for come, and family when you for marry. Which person you concerned when you go come and call the source say you they cry as they not suck your pekus. Your husband not they do one. You they cry. And you said you don't first come out, condemn people when they do it because now because you don't see who they do it. Me, I see who they do it. I don't like them. It plenty. Now they call for different place. I'm afraid. I don't get time. And all of them put eye now they wait for Iye boy boyfriend. Una not go see him. Iye boy get why I not go get boyfriend? Even though it's small, it not concern you. That you don't hear and say the tradition condemn. Person when old Fred young man tradition not condemn. And one I don't first me I still remember you again. You say I don't and 19 years old boy now the friend. Ni me carry a bebog you where Johnny and then we were red on and gualo when I bebog where you are. Did you need that? If you need that, I will do that fast. Send me your address and your phone number. I will look for your phone number. Ni carry a bebog when I do when I me boy. But your commenter when he said Torino, small boys when I did Torino. Since when I entered this Europe, he never read 2 times when I don't reach Torino. He never read 2 times when I don't reach Torino. I feel Katam since 23 years. How many times I don't enter Torino? So, what it be your problem? What it be una problem about the commenter and who they watch? You understand? You understand? All those your followers when don't try to condemn me. As you try to condemn another person picking, now so God go condemn you now. Yes, now so God go condemn you now. Because you are not go give her that people suck finish now marry him. So now indirectly condemn the man. So what it concern me concern you. So as you say you dey come Europe say egbe no kan we na ru dagota for where la no we pekus wa wo buje boy dia we we are waiting for you. I don't call some of presenters they are waiting for you. Jonure mahewe. Mamenga we uare wa izegume gwa ogiame era vidwe yari koro where even we gwalo wetevere information we ave kun e ladiane. I think omo akori on your pen is we go Diamond Sisters. Diamond Ladies Top Show. Moilele do Top Show. Emi na wedo, emi ni megbe ni meji, e me gwakan. Since we traditional do, a traditional family where a family do no me, that is for your family. That is for your dead family because you don't insult my family. You don't insult my children, my great-grandchildren. Back to say that it must come back to you in Jesus' name. Because me are not born picking when they suck to toe. And it not go be in Jesus' name. Before you go reach their time, make they grow. God don't wipe all this rubbish come off for war. You understand me? Now food, person go talk, una go want die. If you they do, keep pan for yourself. No be say you come show me the kind of say you they beg your husband. Your husband say no. Your husband not say tradition. Your husband say osoni. Osoni man. What you guys force say we mu no lalo. Who guys force say na? Who guys force say? Just like example, some people they smoke cigar. If you say the same they stop cigar, they will say they not go let them stop. Now lie, because you don't want stop her. If I see boy when he love me. I dey friend them. He tell me say if you want suck bekus, I go tell him say I don't need them. Me I don't like him. If you know say you know if you do that one without do not suck my bekus, go. Cause I don't like him. Nobody say I don't see you want. He boko now you dey crazy. What did they worry you? Not be as if they talk and I say no man we know they do. I not be so if everywhere. How my own go take different when man go come hear me day, he go say you know they do. Are you mad? What did they worry you? Because I no need time. Na rubbish, na course. I no need time. I grow for Binikido. I know what it be. Man, when me they follow if me and I make love finish, if they run extra toilet, clean itself. Also with me, I won't go there clean myself. Say, una, ma go sleep with una finish. Una go sleep with everything till daybreak. Dirty pig. You will sleep with everything till daybreak. You be useless woman. So you do your video for darkness, me do my for outside. I don't feel use you, get viewer because you be useless person. You are unknown somebody. I don't come any presenters when don't reach 5, 6. They said they never hear that name. They said they never hear them. So who are you to follow people video to find who you want to get view? Are you mad? Umemea. DJ mena do gwe Monica Gwame uvie we edio mi owo ya talo. Owo ya talo because oge ya me babiere. Iya toge ma edi mo ari social media so na do atalo. So ye ma we wisdom ge e ga no me ya wa be pege me ya be age. You are mad. Me ari be bog you we no go e Diamond enemy na. Make they share this video, make you see and make you tell me your address, send me your phone number for my video or call me direct. Ni meri ebe boki we guy me o men 9 years de boy o men 19 years boy na no love ye di menije boy ye we. Utama me. Be ni meje na o pe no je 5 years di me a friend wa degi ye kedego kiye. Wa hoho wa gbon. De edi o ma gwegwa lo nu we a me bada fun we ni no la lo we pekus. Otera me no ri guima. Why am I bad for when? Because I shall walking. Because who are shall you cannot do one where the legend a discipline gelero what on where with respect to planning. You cannot come out on social media and say you're now that for me or when even on like because or mau or what you can imagine getting on ladder a marriage woman do where gelero more door. Getting on ladder see what they come out for your mouth. See what they come out for marriage woman Marty. And then tell them nuni wow. Maybe we emaka gume we reply mani dezo me wani dezo for now. Me wani de gume gwani gu you the craze Mona come out, myself go come out, and I still get people who go follow me. Watch out now. If I don't know how to find people details, I get who go follow me. Find now. He go disgrace you to the last days. Go reach that house, that hotel when you sleep put, because no, that one not be your house. Now hotel be that one wait for they do that video just now. Now hotel, me I not be woman will be say before you go live video you not go make up. And they come out anytime once. Even I make up or I not make up. Now me be Leledo Top Show. I must talk about tradition night and day. Even though your family not get tradition and your husband family now na carry bad head for that Benin when they spoil that Benin. Because now the tradition when they use Christian church they abolish. Now they bring that calamity come Benin every time. You see man, village where they not violated the tradition. Una no see what happen there. Una no see mama, she per favor. Hello? 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 Iyan baba domo. Ah, okay. Who are going you are? Me was it Gerene we get we ete. Oh, even on like be. Ma hoy. Ah, mama no go. Ah, okay. You are not going. A year gua. A year gua. Yes, sir. Where's the bene we get carry ne because when we here got in social media ne wo wa ni ale here actually rubbish o ha ju wa lati tan zegbe me ka me boga e go emunye are uwe ku mi beto japa nu aye won ari agbari ame wa berije boy be family gbogbo ule. No, me say be gbe o ma say dey give me but what we can nai me mama e dey gbe wa be ni social media ma e problem you know. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Oh, I give a Latin. We are baby and salo. Yeah, salo, we baby. Why can't you face me? Yeah, the body face you. The why get a Latin be a second yard. Imagine anyway, Magu, a tradition can. So do what tradition red do it, Benny make it by Gilk bed done in me get tradition raw. You what's then ye or we can't hear door on your power again yeta. Okay, wetty, when I go wetty, Uti, Nagoya was there when I don't fear with ye. Because Uti, who said if you're in one of you, no say when no magu egg Imagu egg one. We got that food well, you go ahead and wait to go over here. Ravage Webber. Hey, nobody make you gear. So, no me that reply, make gear. Or we got ready me wagon on our way. Is a boy woman, when you're going to make a walking here. Or no time, me adding a cue, no dinner. Or my make when you go on with the great body. Your brother was a cacabo, was a be rubber. A year, what I said, whatever. Big woman. Eh, Macoy. You. What's it? What's it? Eh, what's it? So, Eddie Mammy said, Johnny. He might tell me, John. Voilà, il vient donner bien pour ma voix qui sort quelque chose. Il m'a dit, il est Emma, il m'a dit, do when I will keep pay to yourself. We work will not what the Huna la damn social media. Do I go away? Ugu what's up? Again, no man, I mean, no socky where, or na go where, or na lots of back money, or just be a bona when you are getting. Are you mad? Marriage woman, see, give me no lot. Where were you? Here, boy, with my boss. When me mem you men at teachers in Wegeletani. It's short when me mem you met 30 years here. It's short when me mem you met 40 years here. Umami name you, and my friend the boy, very need it. So, what is your problem, my dear? I be on the soon you be an melele, Bonaniati of Yoka. You got to know your ethic bear go away. Oh, man, no, me, with Nigeria. Okay, lab, we're born a small boy. Oh, me, you are both Jaculue. Who work and only any mawa. Wow, who are back. So, if he were one, Keke commit sour, no with your boy, the first small boys, no got see a make away. Hello?
Hello, yeah, boy.
AJ, call. About Vange.
Well, why when they see I was getting and to like something with video,
okay.
What do I watch now? Gear mine and all the
Are we on a Diamond Sister Top Show? Diamond Lady Top Show.
Whatever what I want to call it a Parapama.
Me my hand need it. My own it. Kakabo.
So what why would we tax now? Because my mom and my papa were very so because we are not here. The man who were very young. Yes. It's too small although yeah a character were not here we like video. So we watch here and then they put a name back. Okay.
And now we have to talk about my vision. Imagine. My sister. Imagine, though, eh? Or when Nigeria you watch now, or when another Nigeria said the Benamori vision, you have a web of it, near Karen, and mamma way till the Benam social media there. He may beg it. My mamma get Bob very only exists.
So for that reason, he doesn't watch your time. What a son.
Ah, okay. Muja. Iya we merie dosi no magboiro we na merie dose bie dane azag mazeni aha deti wa egin wa deti me egin no make say the latian because only we no gba biele ne gogo biri when ne gogo biri wa evangelize we no biele ne gogo biri. Jesus Christ. Emerie dos adaba miegwe umagi ame viewer. Udu agwa lo manu aswe ni enu robi e gwe no gwa mudia gwa zagba ze yuki merie dos. Una so akibiere bagbe. Ah no. No say na yin. Yo do akwen ni ope ni omo akodi ayo pe ni we be nu kodi on se ni. We te se eji ni mese. Ewie Ghana bi gwe gbogbo biri ni okin agwa ahu eju gwe ba. No be say na for mat na when you done you no go see Benin person when you go come. Wetin Benin people want to do for them? You dey craze. May go call me for social media, they go dey lead down dey beg. I no need time because I'm now no babe bo we chief e lele wo edoni e wa lele be we bo na why no babe bo why wa degi yeke ma wo gba we ki hun enu wu kian ni baba la wo gbe won je ma te vi akopan me ma me ri yin no u panu eto oge una gwa zen yakin o gba te gbe nu we mu bi ere ri ohun ya na su popo ju egbe una te gbe nu ji bi ere gu ne orin o te gbe nu ji egu ne orin so lo pa na disgrace we what ti ji egu na orin because ibi ere ma ti gbo who have your river? This one, hey, na wish. This one, na wish. This one, no. Eto na ri fo na bi eto si emu. O ibe pe, o ibe latin. E ga agwa le vias. E na ba we ni de taga zen ya ki wa o. Du ki agwa le viewer, gwa le mi opa awu. Ma ya fe no we live video, ma ya me minima wu. E Monica kin pon. E lolo, o we make up. O kin wi ya. Manager boy ile le do imama be na ya zedo e be na atie do e ere maga mi ja wo efe oni o be mama be na awunyi me he efe gogo biri master ogwenu bwa e single moda ogwenu bwa stop e uji edo ma ya me minima meri edos ya gwa le mi ga udo he bi ze no fo no gbe be yakin na be ya introduce e bo re ni adogu wa ki o he bi ze no fo hello hello.
Hello, Colin.
Iyanje.
Hello, Colin.
Iyan, mama.
Láwo go. Me no very amazing.
Ìbéèrè wẹ́n lè sí jẹ́.
Last me do something. Ono my ko fun. Ono yẹn àwọn gbazu.
Wa mi no rob ye here mu e zani no mama ni. Agbiun e. Ikorion no ra gbogbe no. My husband. No gbe mo do a. Obi Cameroon wa wo ni san. Una be do tell her. On your pade we mu jogwa self. You can imagine the concubinity. Ebe obi e do. Wesha ubu denu do to emutu onyame. Egbori wetere ebe joguje. Egbori wete se Nigeria. Ke Nigeria re be journey. Onisugwe abe ni bi gbogbo biri ya ho oni san we ya e. Goju nu weta. When you mami me a small boy in 19 years. They do a global women, me papa no wagging with pepper no so wa we papa 90 bata. Nija we small. Do we what tiny when me okay 19 years be wije boy. Or if you okay 30 years be wije boy, where I did me 40 years. Ni me beppo ki we. No do kwani ebo. Date me here no pa ni we aba so me dos ya do gbon lati wo ya pon ni ope ni ni we mi na te diamond ladies akoke diamond ladies is a club emanu oji edo no ilele do onye diamond ladies club. You are mad. Don't no go me no gbeje do a meeting ya mo we talk show. Are you mad? Go and do something to do. They go and look for something to do. Like while we know we don't want no more DJ boy. Don't want no mama na ya we. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
AJ.
That is it.
Call.
What any
yeah, boy, was small boss of fun. Wamieta, and Wamamia Memiopa. Benica go seven, Mamma no Latia, where you with a boy now, my girlfriend before Wamamio. Bona mie agbiteni, bona mie beni Jenny. Damichikwe, mama, Damichikwe. Yadi, go, madame, yawe. What a sound! Yes. Ijagi gba gbi won ni akara ete ya gogbe. Ama agbiteni. Yes, 52 years. Ama easy now. Yebe mi gogobiri ni o evangelize gogobiri. No be girl, my brother. Now lady, wait born for all the children and gogobiri born they give. No one born for Binima. You go they talk. Where my war? You don't get where my war? I got that thing. Ni egilele na. Ona mi la. We egi ejok makmaji egbe wa degi ekedewu here. It emerie dosi mate date me egwe no. Iga zede kagu egwa siso keme ya kawi agu egwa ne bruda. Oh hu akin uri ogode no say we because ukabe mu yera zedere. Yana nwa agewe. Umu yera zen yana nwa agewe. Ugo ma ya gbe ka gbe try zen mu ya ni gbe try dan no agadi emi mama that size di again gbe try ru then na forgive you we then try it again no gbe mu ya zen ya mi bi tamawe e kanu le ji ni be ugbe hotel nu le ji nu na nya nu bra ni ye gu egwa ba ni hello
come mommy me no go no
hello
mommy atokpe mommy dey no sunu wetin happen ati abonu agbo egun ani ha e ba bo lai gbe a
egwu akwa ni ati meri edosi no ho no biele de gogo biri no we obi gana ga hu ye bo nisa ye no ma gwo egwu dai kwa je tradition we o ma keke no pe alaluhe o ma keke no ku amuwe no alalo edogwa e o ma do aro ye megwe eri ono o eri eki o ije boy Nija no get meja who get body tie get area BGH great grandchildren here. So why for Arab me? The live video.
Emma give ihu aye ukia. Worry mommy where the worry worry one go me fian woda worry ohun e ma obi me e de worry ba bo like gbe ogbe o ba
go me don sit no ho a e short ogba mi no gwa no ma agba me yo ugo wa ma be gba be gbina me do sabo abe gbina nu gwa ogba mi no gbina no onure ugwe hotel ya le shini eku e ma ku e mu video dagbe we o mu dagbe we me ma ku e ni ma eku e me ma eku e I ma eku e gomo lawe gbe meri edosi mudia iyan be kewe e bu gba buno kewe du di ma poru no sugbo we ona wayari oboji ya to na ne da do na gi gwedo gwanya ganyaga gba tradition eredo Nigeria no get tradition economic keke no majo o majo ban avanu o mini ahia e ma be megbe ewe ri oni wusen du gwagwo oge no gwa no gwa story na we ge ni egbe ovio de no ma keke na la ni bi se ya la ya na mu ibigbo ya na mu neko ya na o mo ni o ma seti bi yan ya wulo aha mi abu gbebo ni ya la yan gwo oge no go do ni odi le ife ya na e ba ni ji le ife iya ma ho aleba ni jo ile ife iya ma ho iya na jaju fi ya na vi osisi kwa fe abe de ni adoba bugwa iya ki ze ki awo gbebo eko ya etubu ya na iviade ya na guloko wa no tani ojeru se de na ma ka we tradition ro no ma gele ya leba egbo ni owa yere ba titumoro abolo wa lega wa ma mi ono wa ge ya bo wa we tradition ro we me go try na emeri edosi no wa he tradition me ma egwe no si emonu biele egogo biru biele yana so egogo biri why kan ya tradition egogo biru biele yana uma bia no biedo uma bia no biesan uma bia no bigbo uma bia ni Yoruba ma bia na Hausa eso Ghana eso Togo eso Côte d'Ivoire eru ya bielo eni ha so una wo mo aja fia mu dia kan wa mu dia kan ya yan tenu because etu gwa le viewers e viewers ogu wo ge mi ame ke viewers ni le lu akomete rubbish ni wahia agba mi obegbe wahia babo lawo egbe un tan zano kiro no ji no lagwa ge emeri edos eru bi eyore be daro na atiwi ere yaze onaze iya na forgive you we man ije boy give no wo pa ma ebe se ke ni je boy de we ko ede gbo ka gbu e Sister Mary, you say Lolo talk to me. I know see Lolo. Now the one when I talk, na be that. Now the one when I see, na be that. You say Lolo talk to me because now they follow with fake number. Now they use Fake number, they follow different platform. They see the one where that one do when you not see, they will call remember you, make you for talk. So me, I don't want to talk to Lolo. I know the fear. I don't want to talk to Lolo because I know hear Lolo. I know hear now Mary. Now Mary be your name. Later now you will call use Joseph Joiner. You will take her enter another person home. Make official kill all of you now. Where they do all this bad thing. Now Mary, those videos I see now they talk to. I don't see Lolo. Did Lolo say that they talking you? No, if you still talking, people go still ask him. You not concern me. Yeah. Arrivo. Waya bebe negeka o waya wese ga amina guano magbame o Mary. That one way that they say that they call her Mary. May you help me go fight Lolo because Lolo talk to me. That Lolo, me with her, we know where we know. See with me and her, if we reach Nigeria, when we reach family house, we'll go talk our own. So it no concern una. Muna just forget that. Muna forget that. Una feel the call and say Naisha. He gave me a dish, I gave me a bibini. Later, una go see her. But not be now. Lolo not talk to me. So you know, if he talk and me know you see the video. Now the video when me see now I come out for. So bye bye. Ciao.